In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to ungroup in Miro if you've ever grouped shapes, text, or icons to keep them together. Ungrouping lets you break them apart so you can adjust each piece on its own. We'll walk through it clearly so you know exactly what to click and what to look for. Start by logging into your Miro account and opening the board you want to work on. Give the board a second to load fully so all objects are interactive. Make sure you have edit access. If you can't select items or the toolbar looks limited, you may be in view only mode and won't be able to change anything. Once everything is loaded and you can select objects, you're ready. Now, click the grouped items you want to separate. You can tell something is grouped when a single selection frame appears around multiple objects at once. Often, you'll see a rectangular outline with handles around the whole set, rather than around just one shape. If your click only selects one item, try clicking the group again or clicking a different part of it. You can also drag a selection box around the clustered items so they're all included in one selection. The key is that you should see one selection frame that clearly covers multiple elements together. With the group selected, look for the contextual toolbar that appears near your selection, usually just above or beside it. In that toolbar, find the ungroup icon. It often looks like a small square with lines splitting or emerging from it, indicating that items will separate. Click that ungroup button. As soon as you do, the single selection frame will disappear, and each item will become independently selectable. You can now move shapes individually, edit text separately, change colors or sizes, and rearrange anything without affecting the rest. If you don't see the ungroup icon, double check that you actually have a group selected and not a single object or the background. Zoom in slightly to make the toolbar easier to see, and try reselecting the items until the contextual toolbar appears. If you accidentally ungroup the wrong set, no problem. Use undo to revert and try again. That's all there is to it. Open your board, select the grouped items, and click the ungroup icon in the contextual menu. After ungrouping, take a moment to tidy up spacing if needed. Smart guides will help you keep everything aligned. Thanks for watching and happy editing in Miro.